how we go through this process to but before I run the K level, that way whenever that stops. Hey, what? Put light up. You come close. Put it on the screen. Possibly a broken giddy or the pipe is misaligned. Rod it. Concrete get hard fast.
Gotta come back, gotta get a rack. Gotta come back.
Going to Freeport at 4,551 are proficient enough. You know, I really don't have a lot of time, so every time, like I say, I try to go fly as much as I can. That's the aircraft going, and how soon we going? I guess it's just us as humans. We ain't never satisfied, you know.
1927 Zulu.
Charlie Whiskey Foxtrot at 7,500.